Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix apps keeps crashing after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, if apps are keeps crashing after iOS 17 update, just simply you have to open settings first, and after that you have to tap on channel. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down. Now from here guys, you have to tap on iPhone storage. Let me tell you that you have to locate for app which is crashing. Now let me show you here. If Gmail is crashing, just simply you have to offload the app. If Facebook is crashing, just simply you have to offload that app and then reinstall it, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to close this page. Now open setting. Now from here you have to scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, and now from here you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, then you have to tap on reset. From here you have to reset network setting first and try to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then you have to reset your all setting, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap and hold the app which is not working, and just simply have to remove the app, and then you have to force restart your device and then reinstall that app, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once is there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings again. Just simply you have to tap on general and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply you have to update it, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it on again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.